importante ba na may approval? Surikin
I ask her, most of the time she doesn't approve.
Like Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ang Pussy Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk. Ara and Ricky May Daw. Ara, maraming salamat. Ara, some people would say, siguro madali lang sa inyo pumasok sa show business kasi you are who you are. And when people say this, ano ang reaction mo?
I mean, of course, there's an advantage. Like, for example, our dad would always bring us to events. Minsan, dun kami na-recognize. But there's also that pressure na parang, siguro, dapat magaling rin kayo, and all that. So, it's like, there's a disadvantage, there's an advantage. But then, there are mentors also, since we entered the business.
Meron talagang expectation to be beautiful, to be pretty, to be good. Especially now na pumasok na kami ni Ara sa industry.
Parang you have to say hi to everyone.
May pressure talaga siya.
And you live with it, di ba?
Yes, and we embrace it and it will push us to be better, I think.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's more of a motivation. Kasi it's already there.
Dapat yun ang package.
Yeah.
Halimbawa, pag may nag-ibiga o may boyfriend ka, is it importante ba na may approval? Surikin
I ask her, most of the time she doesn't approve. But since I'm open nga to my mom, parang I tell her, parang mako-conscious ba ako? Like, baka doon papasok yung blocks ko, yung... Kasi parang if mismo parent mo, I haven't experienced it pa kasi siya yung makatrabaho.
Pero look at the way she phrases it. Hindi pa ngayon kasi sabi.
Diba? Sobrang understanding.
Ara, beautiful face, sexy body.
Beautiful face.
Mana kay mami, mana kay daddy.
Mommy,
Artistang crush mo.
Dennis Dilio.
Artistang nanligaw sa'yo. You know?
I don't know.
O hindi depende, magka-boyfriend ng artista.
Depende.
O hindi depende, gumanap na Jackie sa pelikula.
Pwede.
Oh,
Ricky May, proud or love?
proud.
Jologs social.
Jolos.
Kamukha ni mami, kamukha ni daddy.
Daddy.
Single or in love?
In love.
Showbiz girlfriend or non-showbiz girlfriend?
Non-showbiz girlfriend.
Oo, hindi depende, nakikialam sa love life ng mga kapatid.
Oo.
Yan yung dalawa. Sino ang mas masaway?
Ikaw.
Sino ang mas maraming ex?
Ako.
Sino ang mas malakas kumain?
Ako. Huwag na tayo magkakaroon.
Lights on, lights off.
Oh,
Dim. Dim.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for both and happiness.
anytime.
After Pasto.
Anak ako ng nanay at tatay ko dahil...
Anak ako ng nanay at tatay ko dahil I'm a kind person.
Anak ako ng nanay at tatay ko dahil mabuti akong tao. Same lang.
Same.
Oo nga.
Pinagalo ko lang yan.
At this point in your career, may gusto ka pa bang gawin?
I like that. Ako may iba naman. Tito Boy, lights on or lights off.
Super fun and fast. It really
Oo.
feels fast.
Grabe. Ako,
So, super honored kami talaga to be interviewed by him.
ako sobrang dream come true like what I said kanina. As in, minamanifest ko na may interview ni Tito Boy. At sana hindi pa to ang last.